Star Brethren!
Your #1 source for everything Starbound. Hello Star Brethren, Kamo here with a quick little planet that has an Avian Temple so you guys can get your tier 10 avian weapons, and then me dying. Hold on. And then also it's got a legendary sniper rifle to the right as well as a mask. So there's the Avian Temple to the left. And here's the legendary sniper rifle to the right. So if those are the only things that you want from here, that you could leave now. But if you want the mask, that's a little farther right. Okay, and in here is the mask. Alright guys, so that's been this video. If you have any videos you want me to make, well, let me know. In the meantime, you take care.